Hello, welcome back to our second video on how to install Oracle database and also to connect to it. In the first video, we learned how to install our Oracle database. And if you haven't watched that video, I will post the link in the comment section so that I can go and watch it. In this video, we are going to learn how to connect to the Oracle database using different approach. One approach is to connect using the Application Express. Another one is to connect using the command line SQL Plus, and also to use a third-party tool called SQL Developer to connect. We'll try using both approaches and see. So in our last video, we were able to install and load the Application Express. So to do that, we double click on Get Started with Oracle Database on the desktop. Then it opens the interface. So we need to click on the Application Express. Then we need to enter the username. We are using the system username, so we type system. Then your password. The password is a password you supply during the installation. And I ask you to make sure you can remember it. So I will type my password. Then I'll click on login. So then we have this interface. We need to create a new workspace. It's like a new database instance. And to create that, we need to supply the database name, the Application Express name, and our password. Here we are creating a new instance or workspace. So we select the create new. Then the database name. I can use any database name I want. I can say demo. Then Application Express name. I'll use the same demo just to be consistent. The password. Type a password. I'll use the password also as demo just for tutorial sake. Confirm password and say create workspace. So this becomes like your database instance. So you click on create workspace. So to create it, then when you finish it has successfully created workspace demo. To begin, click here to log in. So I'll click here. Then the demo workspace, the username demo, and my password is the demo password that I use. I click on login. So I have this Application Express interface. So now in the Application Express interface, I can go to SQL Workshop and go to Object Browser. So here you can see some tables that it created automatically when we created the demo. So for example, it has created demo customer, demo orders, demo order item, etc. These are some system table files that were created. Later, we are going to clear all these tables and create our own tables. Okay, so I will leave this interface and go back to SQL Plus to see how to also connect to it. This is just to show you how to connect to Application Express. For instance, I can come here and try to see what we have in some of the tables. So for example, I have a table called EMP. So when I come to here, I can say select all from EMP. Then I can run the query to see the content. Okay, so this is one way to connect to the Application Express. So here you can create new tables, you can insert record, etc. Now let's see how we can also connect using SQL Plus. So I'll log out from my Application Express and close the browser. Then one way is to go to the command prompt. Just type CMD here. Then I'll just type SQL Plus. Then I'll enter. Then it will ask you to enter your username and a system. And the password is the password you use for the installation. So then say connected to Oracle database. So here we have connected to the database also using the SQL Plus. Now, for example, if I want to see the instance that I'm connected to, I can just say select name from Vim database. You terminate it and you enter. It tells you are connected to the default instance called XE. We can also try to see the user that is connected by saying show user. So the user connected is system. Now, for example, we created the demo database. Right now we are connected to the default system database and we created a demo database using the application express. From here we can just say connect demo. Then ask for your password. So enter the password. So now I'm connected to the demo. Now let's see if we can access the tables that was created automatically when we created the demo. We can say select all from tab. So you see it shows us the system tables and also the other table that was created. So demo order items, demo product info, demo state, etc. So here, for example, we can describe the structure of the M. So say describe jobs, EMP. So it shows you the MP contains M number, etc. So this is a simple way also connecting to the database and connecting to other tables. Okay, so when we start practicing creating tables, we can either use this, etc. But the essence of this video is to show you how to connect using different methods. So the last method we want to use is to try to use the SQL developer to also connect. So now to connect using SQL developer, if you don't have the package, we need to download it first. So you just have to go to the browser and type SQL developer. Then you go to download SQL developer. Then we can download based on the version. I'll download this one, Windows 62-bit. I'll click on download. I've already downloaded it. So I'll just go and pick my instance. So you have to make sure you have downloaded it and save it on the location. So I'll go to my location where I've downloaded it and configure it so that we can use it. Okay, so I have my SQL developer downloaded in this location. So I'll just open the folder and just create a shortcut on my desktop. We don't install, we just have to create a shortcut on this package downloaded. I can just create a shortcut or ping it to the start. Let me create a shortcut on the desktop. Create shortcut. Let me delete this. Right click, create or send to desktop and create a shortcut. So now you see the shortcut here. I just double click on it to open it. So that I will use this app to connect to my database in Oracle. So now it has loaded. I already have some instances over there. So now I want to connect to the demo database that I created. So to do that, we come to Oracle Connection, right click on it and say New Connection. I can give it the name. So I'll name it the demo because I want to connect to the demo database. The username was demo and the password. You leave the rest of the configuration as it is. Now I need to click on the test to see if the connection is successful. So you see success. The status is success. Then I can click on the connect. Then it's now connected. So when I click on the plus in the demo, and I go to tables, I can see all the objects and the demo. So here it's very easy to type your commands. So in this course, we are going to use this interface because it's very intuitive and easier to use. You can see the object and also an interface to run your queries. So these are the 3 ways that we can connect to the database. And as I said, in this course, we'll be using the SQL Plus a lot in connecting, creating objects, etc. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you can follow it step by step to connect to the database. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.